You're watching Chef Club. Follow our account for more ideas.
we cut this, we don't want it to go all the way to the bottom. We need to keep some of it intact. So we're going to use a melon scooper to remove just about the top third of our core, like so, because we want to keep a little bit of the center. And then we're going to pick it like so down the middle, and then we're ready to place it in our batter. Get it nicely coated on all sides, even in the center. And then we're going to let that excess drip off. And then we're ready to move over to our hot oil and fry this delicious apple. And now that we have this apple nicely crisp and golden, and then we're going to move it over to our plate, remove the pick, and move on to the next step. So I have some softened cream cheese that I'm going to place right here on top of our puff pastry, and a piece of plastic that I'm going to place over as well. And I'm going to take this glass baking dish and just slowly rock it back and forth to spread the Philadelphia cream cheese out as much as possible. We're going to add some cinnamon brown sugar to the top. And I'm going to cut some slits in my dough, sort of evenly spaced like so. Then we're going to transfer this over to our baking sheet. And I'm using the paper as a guide. Flip this top part over, remove the paper from the top. We're going to add a nice egg wash so we get a really beautiful shine on our dough while it's baking. And I'm going to add just another little sprinkle of our brown sugar and cinnamon. And now we're ready for the oven. So our pastry is nicely crisp and golden, looking beautiful. So we're going to transfer this over to our cutting board carefully. And then I'm going to take our apples and just place them right on top of our pastry. We're ready to serve. So I'm going to cut this into several pieces and transfer this over to a plate. I'm going to add some caramel sauce to the top. And then these pretty little green apple roses. And there you have it. You can find the recipe for this at chefclub.tv and many more.